Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the screen timeout, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and as you can see, the 15 seconds option is active, it is applied because it is marked, but we can set also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes, so it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick, for example, 5 minutes. Just tap on the option, and as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.